inside. Sorry. Inside the train. Christ, it's crowded.
That should be okay, right? I think it might work.
I don't know. I'll go out. I mean, this is the only way.
If we do it, should I make an announcement?
Excuse me, I just want to slip by you there. Excuse me.
Here. Come on over here.
And we're going through the open gangway. Ooh, sexy.
Oh, the plastic one? Not only that, but you know what?
This is roomy.
Yeah, really, eh? Exactly. Yeah, so lunch is good? Yeah. Very still after that? Yeah, great. Good? So much change. Yeah.
Mayor Guerra.
Okay.
Retired.
Okay, yeah.
And went to New York. He runs the New York transit system.
You can't get a seat on this one, you're never going to.
Well, I'm a stranger now if I go back to shop.